Given that my last few flights have been to the south of Wharton, I planned the trip north to Navasota for this flight, but a 700-foot ceiling in that direction at my planned departure time convinced me to make other plans. I decided to head west instead, since I can't go very far to the east without a transponder. Given the extra time required for last-minute flight planning, I had to pick a shorter route than originally planned, so chose Yoakum and Hallettsville as my destinations. This route would be about 105 nautical miles and take about 2.5 hours. Several days of heavy rain left the area saturated. I don't think I've ever seen it this wet. I climbed to about 2,000 feet due to some trees I had to cross and found the air completely smooth up there. Despite the wet ground, there still seemed to be a little bit of thermal activity, but the height of lift was relatively low with no clouds to mark it. Yoakum is a small public airport with a 3,400-foot runway and very little traffic. Coming in to land on 3-1, my approach took me right over several baseball fields. This here is a natural gas processing plant. Now to pay Hallettsville a visit. Here are a few more shots of the wet terrain lit by the setting sun. Back at Wharton, the sunset reflecting off the drainage ditches paralleling the runway made for what must be the most scenic landing of my career so far.